Hi guys, I'm Sonic the Hedgehog, and it's time for... What is going on in this video? 1 minute, guys. Hello, Sonic Hedgehog here. What's going on? Hello? Hello? I'm so sorry, guys. If that phone call one more What do you want, huh? Let me tell you something. If you...
Sonic, why are you yelling like that?
Well, you see, Amy, when I was doing a video right here, one was calling my phone, and her, whoever he is.
What's that? It's okay. Just let me see what's going on. Oh, someone sent a white. What the? Oh, hell no. Who will make something like this? No. No!
That's it! Give me that now! Give me that now! Smash this phone, Amy! If I do smash it, got it!
Got it!
They're all better now. Thank you, Amy.
You're welcome.